Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GA4 funnels for landing page optimization, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate GA4 funnels for landing page optimization, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the property that you want to analyze. In the left-hand menu, click on Explore. Select Funnel Exploration from the available options. Click on the plus Create New Funnel button to start building your funnel. Name your funnel in the designated field. Now, you will define the steps for your funnel. Click on Add Step to include your first step. Enter a name for this step, such as Landing Page View. Set the condition to capture users who viewed your landing page. Choose the appropriate event or page location as your condition. After setting the first step, click Add Step to continue building your funnel. For the second step, you might consider a key action, like button click or form submission. Repeat this process to add any additional steps you feel are essential to your optimization strategy. With all your steps defined, review the options on the right side of the screen. You can toggle settings to include or exclude users based on specific characteristics. Once all steps and conditions meet your needs, click on Apply. Your funnel will generate a visual report displaying the flow of users through each step. Analyze the report to identify where users drop off in areas needing improvement. Utilize insights from this funnel to optimize your landing pages effectively. Adjust your content, design, or calls to action based on the data gathered. Regularly monitor your funnel performance to ensure ongoing optimization efforts. Utilizing GA4 funnels is a powerful way to enhance your landing page effectiveness. Implement these steps to create data-driven strategies that lead to better conversion rates. Continue to refine your funnels based on ongoing user behavior and feedback. This process will help you achieve a deeper understanding of your audience's journey. By optimizing your landing pages, you increase the likelihood of meeting your business goals. GA4 funnels provide you with the necessary tools for continuous improvement. Utilize this guide to make your landing pages as effective as possible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.